Hi, I'm Charity Mitchell. I'm coming from Frederick, Maryland. I am interning in a San Mar initiative in Hagerstown, Maryland, that is called Bester Community of Hope. Um, they work with an area in Hagerstown, which is known as South End. They call that their catchment area. So they work in this area that encompasses an elementary, a middle school, and a high school. They work in three phases. They're working closely with the schools there, offering training, support with the kids in the school. They do mentoring. We just opened our South End 21, which is a after-school program for kids that is offering them some additional education, math, science, reading, the basics, and also some fun. They are going to open it in the middle school next fall, and these are going to be ongoing programs to help provide extra support for the children in the neighborhoods, having them a place to go between school and 6 when their parents are coming home, hoping to alleviate some of that running amok in the neighborhood, congregating at the library, just being out of the community where they can fall victim to drugs, gangs, and other human trafficking things that can come up in that area. It is a very low income area, a lot of poverty in that area. There's a lot of substance use, drugs being sold on the street near the school, a lot of gang activity in that area. Definitely, Hagerstown is a hub for human trafficking because they're close to 3 really important interstates. So that's definitely something that our children in the catchment area can fall prey to. The idea behind this initiative is to work through the schools. They have family support workers who work actively with the families within that catchment area when they're referred to help find housing, resources in the community, getting therapy, finding anything extra that can be done. There's a lot of parent cafes, a lot of community coffees, getting the community active in what's going on in their community and realizing that it's going to take them as well as others to advocate so that their community can get better and safer for their children. They are doing amazing work. There's the community person that works within the community. They do something almost every weekend, planting flowers, passing those out. There's a walking school bus to get the kids to school safely. There is just such an amazing place to see, very trauma informed, very active and continual training for their staff, a lot of advocating in the community for the community. I feel very lucky to have found this internship. One of the things that some of the things that I think I'll get out of this course is I'm hoping to really gain a better understanding of trauma and its effects on the individual, both physically and mentally, but also in the house. The trauma is affecting our society and our communities, and what it is we can start doing to help provide more prevention around this trauma for our kids. I am hoping to I'm hoping to do more focused trauma therapy. I know we have very many very amazing trauma therapists in our area. It is very sad that we are not having enough to deal with the amount of trauma clients that we are seeing at work. So I think the more the better that we can provide that help for them, help them get past that trauma, acknowledge that trauma, and move on to be happier, more integral parts of their communities. 3 things that I will do for self-care during this class. I have, since beginning the program, started therapy, so I'm definitely going to utilize my therapist when needed. I'm going to also take time practicing meditation and breathing, and just doing things with my family to help with self-care. I look forward to working with all of you guys. Have a nice day. Bye.